What the hell? Can someone explain what's going on? Damn it, I missed. You're dead? Oh, what? I need to go for loot. Come on. Let's just do 135 damage. No, I think it just did. Bro, flapjack overpowered. Flapjack rifle, oh my days, it is so overpowered. I'm sorry. Jesus. Oh, get a blue one too. Let's go. Thank you. There's a fight going on over here. Let's go get involved. If I die, I don't really care. Uh-oh, has he seen me? Hey. You've got to be kidding me. No shots at all. Damn it. I'm going to still kill this guy, though. Where'd you go, buddy? Can't run from me. Actually, you probably could, but... Did he go this way? I can hear him. Ninja. What's he doing? I could have killed him! No, that's it. I'm done with this.